How to fix no internet connection error in TikTok. So the first thing you can do is long press on TikTok and go ahead and click on app info. So if you scroll down and you're seeing a storage, go ahead and click on storage. So then just click on clear data at the very bottom. So you can also do this by clicking at the very bottom right here, clear data, and then clearing your cache and clearing all your data. So the next thing you can do is go over to your Play Store and download any VPN. So just type VPN. So go ahead and download any VPN, and I'm just going to go over here, and this is already downloaded, so I'm just going to press open. So what you can do is on your screen you'll see somewhere that says connect, so just have to connect it, and once your VPN is turned on, then your problem should be solved. So that is how to fix no internet connection error in TikTok.